Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we will be making Upma.
Yay!
Thank you SG for requesting the dish and all the other folks that have been requesting for us to make a South Indian dish. Yep. Here you go, let's do this.
Okay.
Let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to use to make Upma. We have rava, onion, green chili, chana dal, urad dal, cashews, ginger, curry leaves, cumin seed, mustard seeds, ghee, and coriander leaves. Those are all the ingredients for Upma. Let's go ahead and get started cooking. First, we'll go ahead and toast our rava. We have a dry kadai going over a medium heat. And I will just give it a light toasting. Won't brown the rava. Now we'll start preparing the ingredients for the Upma. So I have the kadai going over a high flame, and I'll add the ghee. Get the ghee melted down real quick, and I'll add the mustard seed. Once the mustard seeds start popping, which should be here in a few seconds, I'm going to add the cumin seed, the chana dal, and the urad dal. Saute these for a few seconds until the cumin starts browning. Then we'll add the cashews. Next I'll add the onions. We'll saute the onions down for about a minute. Next, I'll add the green chilies. The ginger. And the curry leaves. Smelling really nice. You can really smell the curry leaves. Now I'll add approximately 2.5 cups of water. And we'll let the water come to a rolling boil. Okay, the water's come to a roaring boil. I'll go ahead and turn the heat on the kadai all the way down to the lowest setting. Now we're going to add the rava into the hot water, and we'll add it in small batches so that it doesn't get all clumped up. give that a stir just to make sure it's incorporated. As you can see, it's starting to thicken up. And we'll just keep adding the rava in small batches. We have all the rava in the kadai now. We'll just give it a nice stir and get it all mixed really well. Now that we have all the rava mixed in really well, we'll go ahead and cover it. Keep the flame on low and we'll let this steam for a couple minutes. Okay, the upma is just about ready. We'll add the coriander and we'll get the coriander stirred in real quick. Then we'll be able to put it in a bowl and put it to the test. Well, what do you think? How's the upma looking?
It looks like a savory cream of wheat.
And you like cream of wheat, right?
I do like cream of wheat.
Well, hopefully you'll like the upma.
Hopefully.
Let's put it in a bowl and put it to the test.
Okay.
First time making upma.
Yep.
What do you think, SG? Does it look authentic? It looks like the photos from the recipe I was following.
Well, then we'll try it out.
Yeah, speaking of recipes, I'll put a link down in the description as always. Yeah, so we also have a few other things that we'll be adding to or eating our upma with. We have lemon, fresh lemon wedges. I made a fresh coconut chutney. And if you want to see a video of that, I can make a video of that if you'd like to see. Super quick, only takes a few minutes to make that. We do not have sev, but from the Haldiram's video, we do have some Aloo Bhujia left over. So, I don't know, the recipe said you could use sev. Why not put this in?
Another flavor.
Might just give it a little bit of spiciness to it.
Oh, good.
No, not heat-wise, flavor-wise.
Oh, flavor-wise, okay. Because you put a lot of peppers in that. Green chilies, I mean.
And
I'm a little nervous, to tell you the truth.
Because Mumsy's afraid, taking your recommendations, we have a yogurt with sugar mixed together. So if Mumsy's does hit her tolerance to the spices, then
yeah,
she can see if the yogurt helps cut it down.
I'm a little concerned.
It'll be fine. Looks good. Well, let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to try the upma plain first with no lemon, no aloo bhujia, and no coconut chutney.
Well, then I'll do it with lemon.
Just plain, straight upma.
Oop.
And thank you so much, SG, for recommending this. This looks like the perfect breakfast. You ready? Got your lemon on there?
Got my lemon on there.
Cheers.
Cheers. Pretty good.
You're afraid of nothing now, huh?
Well, it hasn't hit yet. It's very flavorful.
Yeah, so the plain bite was great. I wonder how it's going to be with the rest of the
The
ingredients.
lemon's good on it. Yes, the lemon is good.
Put just a little bit on there for now. How about a little bit of the Aloo Bhujia?
I'll put that on too.
And of course I'm gonna go straight after that coconut chutney because I love coconut chutney.
That's really good. That is really good. That adds
Does.
another dimension to it. It's really good.
You should try a little bit of the coconut chutney. That has a completely different layer of flavors on it.
Did you just spoon some on?
Just do a little bit.
To let you guys know, I'm not a coconut fan, so sparingly is pretty much all I can handle.
Wow. I really like it, SG. This is good.
Oh. Yeah, more lemon is really good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the fresh lemon on it is really nice. It's a really pretty dish too.
It is.
With the onion in there, all the curry leaves, and yeah, it's just
The
really pretty.
seeds.
Mm-hmm.
I really like it with this on it. And the lemon. I'm pleasantly surprised that it's not spicy.
Me too. Because I hear it in the comments from all of you. Stop killing Mumzies with the spices.
Yes, thank you. Please.
Yeah. Yeah, this one didn't have too much spice. It had a little bit of chili, but not bad.
That's good.
Yeah, very good. Well, next up, Rohit Kumar. What will we be eating? Have to wait and see.
Yes, we will.
Well, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. We greatly appreciate this, and
We do.
yeah,
We do.
we can't thank you enough for all your support that you give us and the channel.
Yeah, and the wonderful comments. I mean, they're just heartwarming.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you again. Well, until next time.
Bye.